Today in the shop, we're going to weld up the frame and test fit the body. We're back, and today we're going to finish welding the frame and test fit the body. But before we get started on that, the anti-roll bar and wishbone still need to be welded, and since I only have a DC TIG here at the shop, we're going to head over to see my buddy Mike at Belfab Race Cars and get them wrapped up. Hey guys, I just need a few seconds of your time real quick. Most of you don't know this, but one of the goals I set for this channel when I started uploading videos earlier this year was to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Right now, we're on pace to hit about 900. We're so close, but I need your help. If you like these videos and you want them to continue into next year, please subscribe if you haven't already, share it with your friends, and ask them to subscribe as well. Let's keep this thing going into next year. Thanks guys, here's your video. Now that we're back in the shop, it's time to get everything welded in. The K-member, coilover brackets, back half, all the bars and plates, everything needs to be finished. So we're gonna blow everything apart. Mike from Belfab is gonna come over and help weld it all up. Then we'll throw it back together to get ready for the body. frame done, it's time to get the body test fit so we can start working on the main hoop and body mounts. In order to fit the body, we have to remove the wheel tubs and floors from the front seat all the way back. Once we have some room, we'll roll the frame over to the body and get them reunited once again. Having the body sitting back on the frame is huge because it's the last piece stopping us from installing the cage and converting this frame into a 25.3 spec chassis. We still have to set the final ride height and install some body mounts, which we'll tackle in the next video before we start the cage. That's it for this video. If you have questions or comments, please drop them below, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you haven't already.